Good morning, everybody. We are here. It's actually going to be a nice day today outside today. We are going to have, hold on, blurry. We're good now. We're going to have 70-degree weather today and potentially the last good day before it gets cold out. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, baby. Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Mrs. 50 Shades. What's going on, Mrs. 50 Shades? Dark Bro, Mrs. 50 Shades, CD Wit, Dark Bro, Robert, Geoped, CD Wit, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $9.64. Not bad. 5.24% gain for AMC. Shiba Inu coin coming back down a little bit. 760 down to 730 points per coin. We got a new level of support forming at about that 730 level. GameStop. All right. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop, baby. Sitting at 4.95% higher today. The NASDAQ, or the QQQ, falling back down a little bit after trying to rally. Sitting here at 358.19 at the moment. Now the QQQ is up 0.72% on the day today. NASDAQ 0.70% higher on the day today. Let's go to a 1-minute chart there so we can see a little bit better. Dogecoin 6.5 cents. 6.5 cents down 2%. We've got Ethereum 0.45% higher. 1774 still coming down from 1800. Shiba Inu coin down 2.5%. Bitcoin, it's still up but coming down over the last hour or so. The SPY sitting at 423.16. 0.64% higher on the day today. QQQ 358.27. It's trying. I just don't know if it's gonna make it or not. Molinado, all right, soaring 20% to what would have been all-time lows last week. Just bouncing back 20% off like 22 cents or something. If Weeble would load it here, yeah. Having a nice morning so far today. Coming off 22 cents, jumping up to 30 cents. That's actually a pretty big gain. And already giving back all of those gains. Coming down with two pretty big red candles here. And watch out for Mullen Auto. You got a lot of volatility there. Who knows what news that's on? We can pull it up here in a second if you guys don't already know what it is. Minute chart, there we go. Sundial sitting at $1.43, $1.44 right now, not too bad. 2% gain on Sundial. Netflix $410. Highcraft Mining 31 cents, down 4% on the day today. MPW $470. Tesla sitting at $216.80. Tesla trying to come back down a little bit from the major 4-5% gains that it had earlier today at $222. Currently sitting at $217. Amazon sitting at $127.48, getting stuck in this channel right here. Apple $172.64 at the moment, having a pretty stagnant day. I was gonna say a pretty negative day, but nah, it's basically sitting sideways. If you look at the overall action so far, Apple is sitting at $172.64 there. Let's watch Bitcoin and see how this bad boy plays out because it is volatile. Roberts, what's going on, man? Good morning. I'm on time. Geoped, yes you are. CD Wits here. Sean Shingatak here. Good deal, Sean. Glad you're here, man. Real question is, when LFG to $1? Real question is, will LFG token ever hit a $1 price point? Don't count on it, Dark Bro. Don't count on it, man. 99 cents, though. It could go to 99 cents. It just says it won't hit that dollar mark. That's all right. No real worries there. Good morning, bros. Old Rounder, what's going on? Yo, Square Dude. Pff, lives. Pff, lives. Pff, crypto action. Pff, stock market. Pff, investing. It's all crazy, isn't it? Jojo to fire. Thoughts on Pepe coin, Clay? Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe better have had a nice rally over the last couple of days, or Pepe is digging its grave. Let's see here. Oh, you know what coin? I'm actually, like, Raven coin. You guys haven't seen this one in a while. Raven coin's down to 1.5 cents, man. 1.5 cents is like all-time lows on Raven coin. 1 cent is the low there, and its overall channel is between like 1 and 6 cents. So Raven coin at a very cheap price at the moment. I saw that one yesterday as I was looking up a bunch of coins here, but yeah, Raven coin. All right, Pepe showing some signs of life, man. Up 40% over the last week to 90 points per coin. Not bad at all. And it does seem to be bouncing back a little bit, testing that resistance in this area right here. Look, I wouldn't say that Pepe's dead yet. Any coin they can come in and grab $482 million worth of volume is not a dead coin. $482 million worth of volume. Comparison, guys. Terra Luna Classic only did $33 million worth of volume. Pepe was 15 times higher. Whew. Look at this. If this doesn't tell a story, I don't know what does. Shiba Inu coin doing $289 million in volume. Pepe doing $480 million in volume. Guys, I mean, to me, that tells a decent story right there. That tells a decent story. People are actually more interested in trading Pepe right now than they are in trading Shiba Inu coin. To me, that's crazy. The market is spoken on that one. My gosh. Look at AULT. Let's do it, man. AULT. Alt Alliance, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, 84% gain to 85% gain to 30 cents right now. Now, we know that this chart is so bad on a weekly that you can't even see the current price action. On the daily, it is still pretty bad. Wow, on an hourly chart, this is looking pretty solid, man. Over the last 2 days, going from 14-cent lows to 31.5 cents. Currently sitting at 30 cents per share. Now, this is what you got to be aware of, though. You get some spikes like this every now and then. Drove from 25 cents almost up to 50 cents. I got to sneeze. And then, boom, right back down. Every little rally that it gets, there's been no rallies here. Every little rally that it gets, it typically ends up coming back down the very same day. Now, I know that this rally you're seeing today is taking place over a 2-day period, so that's not bad at all. But, yeah, guys, if you're looking at this, I would just be a little cautious on this, unless, of course, it's being driven higher by news. But $3 million market cap is a tiny, tiny company here. And this volume is massive. Average volume is 3 million shares, and we are currently doing 91 million shares today. It is 30 times higher than the average volume. So people are obviously buying this for a reason. I just personally don't know what the reason is. That is a massive gain. Hopefully, what's it look like on the minute? You know what? It still looks bullish intraday. It still looks pretty bullish intraday. Now, if you're going to be a little bit more aggressive, you could probably let it swing to get back down to these lower lows here. But, man, this is the much more aggressive trend line right here, connecting these more recent lows, taking off from this daily trend line. So keep that in mind, man. But I don't know if it's going to be able to sustain these gains or not. An 80% gain is looking good. J-Bones, man, do you have alt? I want to know if you're sitting on alt in your portfolio right now and you're absolutely killing it, man. I knew it. A little basement nerd in Wall Street's basement finally woke up and hit the handbrake. Suzuki. I don't know, man. He may have hit the handbrake, but it looks like Bitcoin might be grabbing some steam again and beginning to move higher here, bouncing off that lower level of 33,500 and continuing to move higher from where it's at. Bitcoin ETF now has vanished from the list. What is going on? Dapper, man. It's all speculation right now. That's what everything is speculation right now. Hey bros, missed you all. Been too wrapped up in the current world or current events around the world. Gen G, I'm telling you, there's a lot of evil going on in this world right now. And if you want a little, I guess, break from it, a little vacation, come hang out with the bros. We're doing good over here and everything's all right. But yeah, I completely understand. I read all that stuff too, and there's so much more going on than investments and crypto and stocks. There's a lot going on in this world. Hey bro, how is you? Sam the man, I'm good, man. How is you? Hopefully you're doing well. I got the Q3 and go down. Darn it, man. Well, if you're getting the Q3 and you want it to go up, hopefully it bounces back up for you, Sam. Sitting at 358 right now. Ran it from 14 today and got stopped out at 29. Boom, 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 boom. J Bones, man. Very nice rally on that one, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah. God bless you for the sneeze. Thank you very much, Suzuki. Appreciate that, man. Is alt good for me? No ignore, please, and thank you. Well, Sam Demand, that's up to you. Alt is going to be a very volatile stock, okay? It is running up nicely right now, and it was at 29 cents, 30 cents just a second ago when we were looking at it. Let's see where it's at right now. Okay, it's still at 29 cents, and it's still following this trend line right here. Might be bouncing off of it and reattempting 30 cents. Is this a good stock? I mean, it's not a good stock, okay? Look at this graph. This is not a good graph right here. You could see, man, that just a couple of months ago, it was at $100, $200 a share, and now it's trading at 28 cents a share. So I would say this is not a good stock, but it's moving a lot today. So if you want to get into something that's moving a lot and give yourself potential to make or lose a lot of money, absolutely, check it out, man. But I would be a little cautious with AULT. Any news about Luna Classic? No, Eros. I got no news. I haven't seen any proposals for Terra Luna Classic. I haven't seen any progress for Terra Luna Classic. I haven't seen the repeg team doing anything for Terra Luna Classic. And volume on a day like today, and going over the last 24 hours, when Bitcoin has been performing phenomenally, volume is only up to $33 million worth. That is, it's a lot of money in terms of how much is actually being traded. But when you compare it to things like Pepe that are doing $50 million or nearly $500 million, worth of volume, it really shows the difference there. So I unfortunately have no new news on Terra Luna Classic. Hey bro, where are you sitting in Brocoin? Dante, Brocoin has not been released yet, but man, this bull market, if it's about to kick off, it would be an excellent release, dude. Yes, is good. Thank you. All right, Sam Demand, you made the decision. I like it, dude. Good morning, bro. Smash that like button. Bree guy, heck yeah. Listen to that, dude, and smash the like button. Number 7 on the likey button, please. Be number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Click the like button, guys. Did you see the Coin Gecko? Wow, no, I did not see the Coin Gecko is up over 500%. That is crazy, man. It is running right now. Sam, you can't say that. Sam? I don't know what you said, but don't say it, man. Don't say bad things. When you're launching your coin. Dante, I don't know, man. I don't know. I really don't know. Dude, if people are going to be interested in cryptocurrency again, it could be the perfect time to introduce a bro coin. It really could. Oh, pizza's ready. Get it, Suzuki. Go get that pizza, man. Market Combat. Frank is in here. Heck yeah. I believe we will be seeing big gains in altcoins soon. Solana, Ghana, Rocket. Where's Solana at? It was testing $30 a couple days ago. Ooh. Solana looking pretty good, guys. $31 a coin right now. Look at this. Solana touched some lows around, man, $9 a coin. I actually think it was $8 a coin. For some reason, CoinMarketCap always subdues these lines a little bit, and I think it might be taking the daily close there. But I think it ticked down to $7 or $8 a coin at the lows. And sitting at $30 right now, that is not bad at all, man. $30 erases the entirety of the FTX fallout. Look at this. $30 back on Solana erases the entirety of the FTX fallout. Bitcoin back up to the, let's see, November, October 2022. Look at this. Going back up to May, actually breaking through those levels. 100% of the fallout of FTX has been wiped away by the crypto market. Dude, if you put that in perspective, an exchange as large as FTX, ripping people off of nearly $8 to $10 billion, all of those gains, or all of those losses being wiped out, and the gains just coming back, it is obvious that crypto is resilient, and you cannot destroy it. I mean, we've been through it all, absolutely. Those are some tough falls, but I mean, if you're looking at that graph right there, that's a graph of Bitcoin since its beginning. That is a beautiful graph. Sure, it ran up nicely and came back down a little bit, but look at this mean curve you got going on here. The overall trend line is overwhelmingly bullish on Bitcoin. That is phenomenal, man. That is phenomenal. Sure, we might have some intraday highs and some intraday lows and all of that, but this is a phenomenal long-term graph on something that the SEC is trying so hard to destroy and get rid of. That is, I mean, that's crazy. I'm still waiting for the pickle coin. We're waiting on all coins, man. Gen G. Pickle coin could be coming sometime soon, right? Combo, I say sorry for joke. Am no bully. Sam Demand is not a bully. If I hit the like button, will you tell me what Sam said? I have no idea what he said. No idea what he said. Must have been blocked by YouTube. I thought Clay was coming up with pickle. No, the pickles must have been somebody else. The pickles might have been the other picklers that were coming in here. It's time to release Mutant Bro Rodent Inu coin. That one actually could do very well during a bull market because people buy the craziest things. Physical, went good. I'm set for the next 2 years. Very nice, Frank. At least we know Frank is physically capable of moving around. Good deal, man. Solana. Solana could be the move right now, dude. Solana sitting at $30 a coin is erasing all of those losses and coming back nicely right now. Now, you got to keep in mind, okay, we're tapping on resistance door. I don't know if Solana's really going to be able to break out until it gets back up above that 30 level and uses 30 as support there. That's going to be very important to see whether or not Solana can use 30 as support. But dude, this is crazy. This last bear market, looking at Solana sitting at like 50 cents, going all the way up to $250 a coin. My goodness, man. I'm getting excited about a bull market. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to let my excitement creep up a little bit. During one of my weak moments, a few months back, when I was buying crap tokens, I am dying to see Pooh go back up so I can dump that crap. There you go, man. And Pooh, Pepe, Bilbo, Bojack, SpongeBob, a lot of those coins. I don't know if they'll recover or not. Milady is another one that a lot of people were buying into. I don't know if those coins will recover or not, but if they do, they ran extremely fast in the past, and they could run extremely fast when this bull market begins here. DTCC removed the IBTC on their website, sold my leverage position. You sold it or it got liquidated? Crypto DMO. SLNH, a low market cap miner. Good play on a bounce. Well, yeah. So I don't know what they're mining, if they're mining Bitcoin or what. Man, that's such low volume, though. Let me say this, okay? Let me say this. If this is a Bitcoin miner, this price action makes no sense. Because Bitcoin has been performing extremely well over the course of 2023. And these guys have just recently hit new lows. So if this is a crypto miner, specifically a Bitcoin miner, I don't like it. I think you should be looking at something like this if you're interested in a Bitcoin miner, right? It performed phenomenally. Now, it did pull back drastically, even though the price of Bitcoin hasn't pulled back drastically. But this is going to be following Bitcoin a little bit better. Riot is another one. Bitcoin performing well. Riot performing well. Also pulling back heavy over the last couple of weeks here. But SLNH, this doesn't make too much sense for me as a cryptocurrency miner, because Bitcoin's been doing very well, but that miner has not been doing very well. Can't stay. Workers trying to slow me down to stay late. I had to outsmart them and take an early lunch for more afternoon time. Jeez, freaking love it, baby. Boom, Chris, enjoy the day. And absolutely, man, no problem if you can't stay. Thank you very much for coming in here and hanging out for a second just to say hi. Hopefully you're having a good day at work and you get all your stuff done, man. Crypto's here to stay. Sean, that it is, man. Market's looking good. Currently up 1.05%. 2 green days in a row. It'll be nice with all the red last week. Yes, it will, Frank. Yes, it will. We need some gains, man. Pudgy, what's going on, Pudgy? Glad to have you in here, man. Hello, everybody. Hello, Chris. I say a bad word. Sorry. All right, Sam, man. Good deal. Toodles, poodle. Toodles, poodles. Toodles, poodles. Are you leaving, man? Let's see. Come on, man. Bitcoin going back up. It's fighting on the up. It is, dude. Suzuki. Bitcoin is still looking very strong. Coming down, touching 33,500. Bouncing off that level nicely. Move this down just slightly. This is the little level of resistance we got to break right now. If it breaks it, we could be running back pretty quick to 33,002, 33,003, or even 34,002, 3, or even 5 right here. So watch this little level on Bitcoin. Hopefully it breaks back up a bit. Breaks back up through it. Oh, my Lanta. 50 Shades of Sarah is here. 50 Shades of Sarah is here. Well, she was. Oh, there she is. Yeah, she's still in here. Very nice. Pudgy, you got it on that one. What's your thoughts on Cardano? Sanjeevan, man. I like Cardano, but I don't own any Cardano. So let's... Did not mean to click on that one. SPY coming down for a double bottom on the day, guys. You got to, or QQQ and the SPY was doing it as well. SPY breaking down through a new low, but watch out for the QQQ. It is coming down, and if it breaks this level, it's going to be looking really good to the downside there. Especially, man, if it comes back down to 355.80, that would be a phenomenal loss. But boom, tapped it once, tapped it twice. Could be a bottom on the day. So watch for a break, watch for a bounce. Crucial level. Seems like you might be getting a break here and some even lower lows. Looking good for anybody that would be in puts this morning. Come on, Bitcoin. Well, it hit 36,000 today. It's only Tuesday. It can, man. We got a lot of lines on. I'm going to take up some of these lines now. Some of these are intraday lines. Oops. Let's just clean up some of these lines here, so we can see it a little bit better. Dude, it could run to 36,000 today. It really could run to 36,000. We do have a little bit of trouble in these areas that we're in right now. 34, 34 and a half is proven to be a little bit of trouble. But, dude, it only takes one little break for that bad boy to keep on moving. As the bull run started, Aiden, some people are claiming that the bull run has started. You've got some analysts out there from Morgan Stanley saying that because Bitcoin is back up above 30,000 now, that it's erased the bear market losses. That now we're moving back to the upside, and the crypto winter is fading, and we are moving into crypto spring. I'll say this, dude. The bull rally that we've experienced over the last couple of days is a rally based on speculation. Now, typically speculation does have some of the highest gainers in the crypto industry. You saw it with Shiba Inu coin and everything that was taking place in 2021. What we could end up seeing, though, is the SEC coming out and denying the reason for the gains. So if the SEC comes out and says that Bitcoin's ETF is not approved, here's why. And they give a legitimate reason. Of course, we could see some appeals, but if they say that, you're going to see some losses, man. You're going to see some losses almost as fast as you saw the gains. So please be aware that the bull market, the bull rally could have begun, yes, but I think we need some confirmation before we really know whether it's currently taking place. Is it really Tuesday? We just assume it is, but has anyone been keeping track of all Tuesdays since the first one? I've not done so, man. J-Bones, I hope you step on a Lego bear. Ooh, man. Pudgy coming in hot. J-Bones, I hope you don't step on a Lego barefoot. Why 40? I think I missed something, Mrs. 50 Shades. Got an XRP 2 days before this little rally this week. Now I'm hearing Chainlink is next. Giovanni, man. Let's get started. Let's see, delayed reaction. I know I missed something there. I was winning this property tax online auction with a minimum bid, and this guy came in and outbid me with 2 minutes left. Shattered my dreams. Oh well, I can buy more crypto now. All-rounder, bro. Yes, you can. And dang, these guys that come in and beat you with 2 minutes left. It's nonsense, man. I'm hearing to buy more XRP before November 9th, if interested in XRP. Yeah, well, there you go. I have no idea why November 9th would be the date, but make sure to mark your calendars for November 9th, guys. Yes, I say sorry for hi to you. Mr. Enormous, doesn't Bitcoin always run before the halving? I'd be careful. Mr. Enormous, yeah, man, listen, they always say that it runs before, that it runs after, that it runs because of, and all of that. A lot of people are anticipating Bitcoin moving up because of the 2024 halving. Now, I'm trying to make it make sense, right? I don't think that Bitcoin runs because of the halving. I think that Bitcoin halves because of the running. And if you look at why I would say that, it's just the way that it was the way that it was coded. So the idea was Bitcoin would go up in value. And as Bitcoin continues to gain in value, you need to earn less Bitcoin, right? The miners need to earn less Bitcoin because they're earning higher value coins. So when Bitcoin first launched, and you were solving blocks every couple of minutes, and the coin was worthless, and you were getting 100, 200 coins, and things were great, right? Well, you might have only been getting a couple cents, if that. I mean, right at the beginning, Bitcoin wasn't worth anything, so you were just mining a worthless coin. And then it started to be worth a couple pennies, a couple dollars. And now you might have been making a couple $100 for solving those blocks. Well, where we're at now, dude, this halving is going to take Bitcoin from 6.25 Bitcoin rewards down to 3.125 Bitcoin rewards. So theoretically, for miners to make the same amount of money, you would need to see the price of Bitcoin double from where we're at. And it could do it. I mean, it could do it. Bitcoin has been more than doubling on an annual basis since its inception, so it could absolutely do it. Coming back down to the chat, I bought into Caspa, I bought into the Caspa hype over the week. Very nice, Suzuki. Bought $100 worth of XRP, adding more coins to my collection. Roulette wheel, very nice, man. 50 Shades, hello to you. Can't believe XRP is still going through the courts, etc. Mrs. 50 Shades, that's crazy to me. They won't let it go because I had to get my rage under control, so I wasn't overreacting. There, that's why you had the delayed reaction there. Taco Tuesdays are the best kind of Tuesdays. Let's see. No block for say hi to girls, please. Yes, Sam, you're not going to get blocked for saying hello to girls. Gensler is shorting Bitcoin. Be careful, guys. Dude, if Gensler is really shorting Bitcoin, I hope he gets wrecked, man. Wouldn't it be nice to have a steady growth all the way till 2025 bull run? Is that possible? Well, yeah, Giovanni, it is possible, but I mean, dude, nobody should expect to see nothing but increase. You know what I mean? Like, you shouldn't expect nothing but gains. You're going to have some pullbacks. But if you're looking at something like this, if you're looking at something like this is steady growth, bounces up, comes down, bounces up, comes down, comes down. If you're looking at something like that, I would say yes. We're back up above this trend line right now. 2023 is still holding steady. And things are looking good. So we can actually, I don't even know what that line was. We could actually pull this line out even further now and see what happens. But we might be breaking up, and then we might come back down, test it around 33, 34. We might go back up to 40, come down, test it. So we might have steady growth, yes, but I wouldn't define steady growth as, nothing but gains. Overall market, guys, falling down below that level right there, continuing to go down, sitting at 356.66 right now. Afternoon losses are mounting at the moment, so watch out for the market. It does seem to be turning red right now. 0.28% gains after being up about 1% earlier today. It's only up 0.25% at the moment, so keep your eye on that. Bitcoin, Bitcoin bouncing through that resistance, and when it does, man, it moves, so watch out now. Bitcoin breaking that resistance level, you can be running back up to 34,500 very quickly. If Bitcoin goes to zero, everything will go to negative 10,000. If Bitcoin goes to zero and everything goes to negative 10,000, we're going to be in a very weird world, aren't we? Sam, where you working now? Yeah, Sam, where you working now? Anywhere? You got anything going on? Saw a video. XRP supposed to reach... Yeah, dude, Roulette Wheel, I've seen people saying that XRP is supposed to hit 10,000 a coin too, man. So watch out for that. Yes, work for Petco. It's good for me. And I get Floofy dog. He's got a fluffy dog and more girls to say hi to. Nice, man. Nice. When I used to mine Bitcoin, I remember making 2.5 Bitcoin every 20 hours. Dude, could you imagine ripping 2.5 Bitcoin every day? Oh my gosh, dude. If you're ripping 2.5 Bitcoin every day, that is millionaire status in no time. My gosh. Most people will sell before their crypto goes to a 10,000x. As any normal person would, Roulette Wheel. That's why I can't fathom people that have held as long as they have in some situations. I think that they've lost the address to their wallets. I think they've lost their seed phrase, and that's the only reason they're holding. But they just don't want to admit it that they've lost their address. Chasing green candles, baby, and you're chasing them on Bitcoin. It could be a good idea because Bitcoin's showing some strength right now. Gonna get burned chasing those flames. Michael coming in with some words of wisdom there. What's up, people? What's going on, Moji? How you doing? Hey, bro, Bitcoin ain't going to zero. Dante, I don't think Bitcoin's going to zero. Somebody was saying if Bitcoin goes to zero, the rest of the altcoins are gonna go to negative 10,000. Mostly Ripple lawsuit November 9th. Gotcha, Giovanni. Yo, Ma, you're going down this week. Oh, Ma, Michael Allen is going down this week. Hey, did JB beat me this week? I know he was projected to beat me, but did I lose again? I didn't even look yesterday. I got to see if JB beat me yesterday. He probably did. Oh, he smoked me. Wow, dude. He far outpaced his projection on that one. And I underperformed. What do you know? Another loss in the fantasy football world. Yes, thank you. Good deal. Do you think we'll keep going up for fall or fall to the same place again? Julio, man, I think it's all going to depend on whether or not that Bitcoin ETF does get approved or it does get denied. If it gets approved, I think we can keep going up. If it gets denied, I unfortunately think we're going to be right back down to potentially 25,000 and so on. My Doge is up 20%. I want to sell and cash out my $20 profit. Roulette wheel. Well, you can if you want, man. You can if you want, absolutely. No, ignore. Did Bitcoin get listed with a depository, trust and clearing corporation with the ticker IBTC? Bree guy, that I do not know. So I did see, I saw an article this morning saying that it did, and now I see some people saying that, it's not on there anymore, right? Let's see. Yeah, so if you look at this right here, Justin, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has been removed from the DTCC Depository and Clearing Corporation. DTCC website is down, so nobody has any idea if the BlackRock ticker has been removed or added. But it was fun to watch everybody panic and scramble to be first. I don't know. I don't know. Bitcoin tumbles 3% as BlackRock spot ETF ticker pulled. I really don't know what the exact story is. But, dude, that's one of the things. When people try to react and get this stuff out immediately, you end up with claims like this. I honestly don't know anything other than what you guys have read and what you've seen out there. So I wish I knew the answer to it. But right now, if the DTCC website is down, you can't even go out and confirm any of that action. Pet lover is a good indicator of a good person. Someone that doesn't like pets tends to be selfish. Interesting roulette wheel. What if you don't have any pets, but you feed the chipmunks in your backyard? On the minute chart, I just got a green light for a new rip to the upside. Yeah, me too. So if you look at this, my indicator would have been a breakout through this resistance level right here. It did rip up a little bit, $300 to be exact, and now it seems to be pulling back a little bit. So just keep your eyes on it, man. I don't know what this line's for, but if you move it just slightly up here, you can see that we are hitting some higher highs or some higher lows on the day, and we might be pulling back to this level before you bounce off again. But I'm just going to move it back to where it was because I don't know why I was there in the first place. Oh man, can't wait for the Bitcoin ETF and the inverse so I can trade options. Baby Shark, there you go, man. Lots of rumors of Bitcoin ETF sooner than we think. Giovanni, I see a lot of those rumors, man. And I see them floating around out there, and I hope we get some news. Gotta go as I'm cooking chili tonight. Have a great day, everybody. Mrs. 50 Shades, enjoy your day as well, and hopefully you make the best chili ever. Is this a bull trap? Roulette wheel, the only way I believe it's a bull trap is if we end up with a denial of the ETF, okay? We could see the SEC deny the ETF, or if this is a buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal. Traders are coming out here, buying the rumor, getting everybody excited, and then all of a sudden, news comes out, even if the ETF is approved, they sell off. So it could be a bull trap, absolutely, but it depends on how it plays out with the actual Bitcoin ETF news coming out there. 50 Shades, see you later. I can't stand cats, dude. I'm really, really allergic to cats. I think they're cool, but it's really allergic. Nobody reminded me that it was 12:30, so I'm going to hit you with an ad, whether you like it or not. You guys got that ad right there. Let me know if you skipped the first one or if you skipped the second one. I appreciate you if you skipped the second one. Hey, you know what? Appreciate you if you watched the first one as well. No kids for Sam the Man. I say no, 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 and kids say bad words and hit Sam the Man is no good for me. Petco is good for me. Thank you. Petco is good for you, Sam the Man. Peter of Bananas. What is going on? Peter of Banfield, Banana Field. How is you, bro? Hopefully good. Pudgy, it means you are evil. What? Man, if you don't like cats, I can't stand cats. They make me sneeze like no other. Okay, driving. Golf ball, gotta go. All right, Moji, come back, man. Come back before the live is over. Even if you're having a very, very bad day at golf, still come back and let us know how you're doing. Listening, good deal. If XRP wanted to rip to $4, I wouldn't mind. Old rounder, bro. I also wouldn't mind if XRP ripped up to $4 there. No king turkeys, K. Yeah, never any king turkeys, Moji. I do believe this is the crypto spring. We have an ETF coming, then Bitcoin having, then 2025 bull run, which will include altcoins. Boom, 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 boom. Giovanni, I hope you're right, man. And you know, it's not just you that's saying that. You got guys from Morgan Stanley saying that. You got a lot of people believing that we are in the crypto spring now. Things are starting to fall out. Good morning to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here right now, man. Skipped on the second one. Very, very nice Suzuki. Hitting me with 2 ad views right there. I love it, man. On X, dropped best arbitrage bot I have used so far. Interesting, Sethi. How much money have you made with that arbitrage bot, Sethi? I got 2 ads. Nice, Pudgy. That's what I'm talking about. Gorilla. Bro, fam. Late, but here. Meeting. Oh, my gosh, dude. Too many meetings? Nobody likes too many meetings, Gorilla. Cats is no good for me. Cats no good for me either. Or it's a bull trap. Could be a bull trap. Absolutely. And everybody, Stay quiet. Moji's about to hit a golf ball. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. Hopefully, Moji just had the best drive of his life. Moji, man, sorry about that. You know, it comes across. You got to do it. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, Moji. Sorry if I messed up your swing, man, but it's all right. You can swing again tomorrow. Roulette wheel, only a bull trap if you don't have a generous stop. Yeah, could be true as well. Or if you're just willing to hold forever, no such thing as a bull trap in that situation. Mining Bitcoin back in 2012, 2014 was easy and sold most of it before 2025. Wifey panicked and I panicked and turned it into a house down payment, paid the taxes. That was rough, not regretting it. Suzuki, absolutely, man. Absolutely. And you know what? Nobody ever knows the future, right? Nobody ever knows what's coming. You didn't know that Bitcoin was going to rip to 20,000 in 2017. You didn't know that Bitcoin was going to rip to 70,000 in 2021. You didn't know that Bitcoin was going to rip to 150, 200,000 in 2025. You didn't know these things. And now that you're in the crypto game and you could still make some gains along the way, you've had a house to live in for what, man? The last 7 years? So I think you made a phenomenal decision to turn your crypto gains into something tangible. Crypto Spring. Hopefully everybody is putting their seed down for growth. I like it. Giovanni, a beautiful, beautiful visual there. Yes, so we are getting into Crypto Spring right now. You guys better be planting those seeds because they're going to be blooming over the next couple of years. WTF was that? Jay Garcia. That was a king turkey and a king cow as sent to you by J-Bones. That's what that was. Should change the moo to mo. I thought about it, and I thought about doing a moo G, but I didn't really know if he was listening or not. Made par 3 putt on gobble despite Bones' effort. J-Bones got to try harder next time, man. Mo G is the king. Nah, he turned our volume down. We know that he did. Darn, I was asleep until the turkey call. Challenge channel. Glad to have you here. And glad that you're awake and listening, my friend. I gotta go. Dealer called, said my car was ready. All right, Suzuki, enjoy your day, man. Hopefully your car is all good to go. And hopefully your day just keeps getting better and better and better. Better, not breader. You got a bread day, man. I don't even know what that means. Bitcoin has some crazy price predictions post-halving. Malcolm, what do you see in post-halving? Some of the latest ones that I've seen, people talking between 50 and 73,000. Robert Kiyosaki, you know, that rich dad, poor dad dude, he's talking 130,000 on Bitcoin. So I've seen a lot of price predictions, man. I don't tend to believe the people that say Bitcoin's going to $1 million or anything like that during this next bull market rally. I don't think we're going to be able to get there yet. I think we got decades of growth before we get there. But, yeah, dude, I've been seeing a lot of predictions as well. So what numbers have you been seeing? I'll take breaded, man. More money. There you go, man. Have a breaded day, Suzuki. Bro got $17 per hour for Petco. I get for Q3. Mom says no, you know more Q3. Save for school. Sam is bad. I say darn, I am no lazy. Thank you. Yeah, Sam, man, you know, I don't know if you're saving up for college or what the deal is, but you always do want to be responsible, okay? You know, mom might be helping you out and might be looking forward to investing in your future and investing in your education. That's an investment, and you got to look at it that way. You know, if you're looking to just go into the QQQ, you still have to be responsible. So I can make some decisions, and I can throw more and more and more money into the QQQ as well, but I got to remember, man, I got to eat. I got to pay for Wi-Fi. I got to pay an electric bill, a gas bill. You know, you got to pay all of these things. Insurance is crazy too. So you got to make sure that you maintain a balance between what you invest and what you use to live off of. Can't go out and make $17 an hour and spend $17 an hour on the QQQ. It could work out very well for you if your trades hit and you do good, but as soon as you get a couple bad ones, man, you know, it's almost like you were working for free, and nobody wants to work for free. Hey, if the market goes up, we don't have to sell our flat rocks. Giovanni! I forgot all about that, man. You know, if the market goes up, we still could sell our flat rocks. That we still could. Double down, man. Kathy Wood said 1 million. She smoked. Yeah, Malcolm, she said that before, though. And I swear she was saying that would happen during the previous bull market. She also calls for Tesla to be ripping to $1,000 a share. I just don't think we're there yet. You know, I don't think we're there yet in terms of people investing their money, man. Simpsons predictions for this year is looking accurate. Simpsons prediction for every year looks accurate, man. Bills come first. That they do. Sean, saving up for an 03 Toyota Corolla, my dream car. I like it, roulette wheel. I like it so much, I gotta say, oh, thank you, Kombu. We've got ourselves a mustache for Sam the Man. Sam the Man, here's a mustache for you from Kombu. I see you, Kombu. Thank you, Kombu, man. Thank you very much for the mustache. Appreciate that one. One of my favorite ones to do, actually. It's one of the most fun. Kombu, man, thank you very much for that super chat. As an accountant, a good way to figure out what you're spending money is you make sure you have your income minus your expenses. Whatever is left over is what you are allowed to play with. Yeah, and if you choose to invest it, great. If you choose to go on vacation, great. If you choose to buy, a bunch of 8 balls, great. It is your money to do whatever you want with that makes you happy. But you do have to make sure that your expenses are covered. And Sam Demand, I don't know if college is in your future or if school is what your plans are, but even if you save up, right? Even if you save up for school and no matter where life takes you, school or no school, you still got that money, right? You still got that money and you can decide to go to QQQ with it after you make a decision on the school. But school is very important. You want to invest in yourself. So you don't need to spend all the money in the world to go to some ridiculous private school. But education is important, man. Grow mustache, Sam. Do it. Shib pump to $1. Monetized memes. I hope so. Bitcoin go back to 3,000 or 3 to 7,000 again before it rips to 100,000. Just to get all the small players out. Whether it is true or not, who knows? Yeah, Baby Shark, I don't know if it's going to go to 3 to 7,000 again. I would, theoretically, right, I wouldn't mind if it did, okay? Because to me, Bitcoin is an absolute long-term play, and it's just always going to be around. So I theoretically wouldn't mind if Bitcoin did fall back down to those levels. Do I think it will? Based on the previous patterns, I have to say no. Based on the previous bull and bear market valleys and peaks, the bottom has been in. That 15,000 that we saw at the end of 2022, beginning of 2023, marked the bottom if the previous bull and bear market cycles repeat themselves. So I don't know if it will or not, but yeah, dude, that would definitely shake a lot of people out of the game. Okay, thank you. Yes, I will save. Skip Q3. Thank you. Tell Mom. Claybro says, yes, you was right. Thank you for help. No ignore. Never ignore Sam. Absolutely, man. Your mom probably knows what she's talking about. I have the ability to figure out what will happen in the future because I use predictive mathematics. The challenge channel, you friggin' genius. Tell us what's going on. Monetized memes. Psych. Aw, man. Monetized memes. I thought Shiba Inu coin was going to pump to $1. Well, A coin is like 2 million per coin. How many of them are there? Malcolm. Dude, it's actually like 3 million a coin. Hey coin, $3,305,000 a coin. Right now, there are only 56 coins outstanding, which is still a phenomenal market cap. My gosh, dude. The max supply, I don't know if we'll ever hit the max supply. Right now, the total supply is only 95. Looks like half of them are staked, with the circulating supply being 56. Wow. This coin has only been out for a couple of days. I don't know if this is a true market cap or not, man. That seems a little ridiculous for a $185 million market cap, only having been on the market for a few days. Always hot in the Philippines, but no one really uses air conditioners. Why not, Challenge Channel? You need to use air conditioning. But it's 85 degrees outside. It's far from cold. 65 degrees outside right here, and I feel like that is far from cold. Since Mo wants to turn the volume down, I'm going to stalk him when he's going to swing. I'll just crank up the volume on my golf cart. There you go, Pudgy. Make it happen, man. Bitcoin dropped heavy to 4,000 before it ran to 6,000. So predict 12,000 on the big dip before the rip. Crypto DMO. You're right, but you've got to look at the time frame. Okay, so let's look at that time frame, right? And look, I'm not one that believes these patterns have to be true. But if you're looking at this, before the rip up to 60,000, look at this time frame here, okay? You've got this run. Everybody knows this run to 20,000 back in 2017. It says 17, but it actually ran to 19 something. So I don't know why they soften these numbers a little bit. But 17,000, 19,000 right here at the end of 2017. One full year later, right, the bottom comes in. So the end of 2018, beginning of 2019, that's your low, $3,000 to $4,000 low right there. It did fall that far before ripping up. Now, you did have some nice rallies. These could be the rallies that we're experiencing right now. We could come back down to those $15,000 levels that we've touched because we came down to 5 here. Then it began to rip. What we're seeing here, right? What we're seeing on this bear market is, gosh, I knew that was not. Come on. What we're seeing here, after reaching the highs at the end of 2021, same time frame goes on, right? What you're looking there is the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. That is exactly when we had that bottom come in. That bottom this time was 15,000 as opposed to that 3,000. 15,000 comes in. We could be ripping up the same exact way that we ripped up here, going back up 3x in value and then falling back down. Okay, we can fall back down before the next bull market rally takes place. But if it's anything similar to this bull and bear market situation here, where you hit 17 and fell down to 4 and then jumped back up a little bit to 10, 12, and then back down to 5, we would be looking at a decline here back down to about 15 to touch those bear market bottoms again. And I'm just saying, man, that's just the previous cycles if they repeat themselves. I actually would like to see a decline back down for one last mass accumulation for anybody that's willing to go out and buy Bitcoin at $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. But I really don't know, man, if we'll get that. Plenty of toilet paper out there. Flat rocks no longer needed. Giovanni, right, man. Kalani, also, as of now, I have lost 99% of my account options trading. Man, I have learned so much. However, I have noticed that when I'm using paper accounts, I do beyond exceptionally well. And you know what, Kalani, I'll tell you this. It's because there's no emotions whatsoever attached to a paper trading account. Literally no emotions. And, dude, I have been in that situation so many times before. I trust me, I have been in that situation so many times before. And when you're paper trading, it's a different game than trading in a real account. But I do, man. I do believe that you could do so well in a paper trading account like that because it doesn't matter. And I've said it so many times, right? Money is just a stupid number on a screen. It's just a number. That's all it is. And when it doesn't matter if you win or lose, when there's no emotions in the trade whatsoever, that's when you do perform the best because it has nothing to do with you want it to go a certain direction, but it has everything to do with it's going this direction based on this movement. So, yeah, Kalani, I 100% feel you on that, man. Don't let that cause you to give up, though. Don't let that cause you to give up, man. 2 years, here I come. Let's go, Kalani. Thank you very much for keeping that green name for 20 months, man. 20 months of bro never looked so good. Congratulations, Kalani. Absolutely. And Sean, Shingduck, thank you for the help. Absolutely, Sean, if you're helping Sam the man. Pudgy, it's winter. If you look at a lot of coins ranked 100, many have lost over 90% from its value. This is true. Almost all of them have, actually. Wait, at 11:18 this morning, I entered some 380. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, listen. Bronson, I don't know why. Actually, did you message me? No, you didn't. I don't know why you don't message me, man. I was literally sitting here before the live and looking at this entry on this candle right here and decided against it. In this area right here. Coming back down. Off that high. Curled over. Had a nice little run. Began to curl. I thought it was going to break here. So I was almost ready to enter. I would have been in at 11:11 if I did. Did not get in. Said, all right. I'm just going to let it go. Stinking kicked myself, dude. The candle came like 10 minutes afterwards. And looked good there. Started to bounce back up. That would have made me pretty nervous coming back up to break even. And I'm going to be dead serious with you. After that decline right there, I probably would have had a stop on it. And this would have tapped me out. This one stupid candle would have probably tapped me out anyway. Coming right back up to where I would have entered that position. But yeah, dude, this is the break that you wanted right here. This is the break. 355.80 came down and touched that line perfectly. And now bouncing off of it a little bit. So if you think this action is going to continue, Bronson, stay in, man. But I had some support of that 355.80 right there. Oh, and you can't see it. Darn it, man. How foolish is that? I had some support of that 355.80 right there. If it doesn't break down through that, I'd watch out for a tick back up. But yeah, this is the candle that I was about to get in on right here. I had the nice rally down. I'm like, okay, it's probably starting to curl over. Started to stagnate, jumped up. I thought this was the break. These 5 lines in a row right here. I did not get in. And then I'm saying I probably would have stopped out anyway. So if I would have got in on this candle right here, it would have been nice. It would have been a nice entry. 10 minutes later, the real breakdown happened. But this probably would have stopped me out. This stupid candle right here. It's been nothing but decline since then. So, yeah, you're rolling, Bronson. Looking pretty good. I'd watch out if it does continue to curl up there. Wish Bitcoin would go down to $3,000 to $5,000, but we all know that's not going to happen. But if it did, I would sell all my crypto to invest into it. Yeah, Giovanni, man, if Bitcoin did do that. Now, let me say this, okay? It's probably not, right? I agree with you that it's probably not going to happen. However, if the world spirals out of control, if all of this crap that's taking place overseas turns into WW3, and nobody cares, all right? Nobody cares about anything except survival. In that situation, combined with a declining or denial of the ETF and regulation put on hold, I mean, dude, if something like that breaks out, it's not going to be impossible for Bitcoin to fall back down to those levels, man. You just really got to be aware of the situation and what's going on in the world. I don't think all that's going to happen, but it would lead it to do it. Which Bitcoin saw that. It's fall. Yeah, it is fall right now. Can't see the screen. Yeah, Bree guy. No, yeah, crypto chart. He's doing it again. Yeah. Bronson, whatever. I got back at it, man. I got back at it. Some magic. Make those numbers go up. So boring. Heck yeah, challenge channel. Guys, it's 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here. And keep the chat going. Keep the chat awesome. Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the super chat. Kalani for the member chat. You guys are killing it out there. And we'll do the shout-outs, guys. We'll be back this afternoon. Hopefully all of you enjoy your day today. Challenge channel. See you later, man. Kalani, see you later. We got Bronson, Giovanni, Crypto DMO, Pudgy Man, see you later. Bronson, see you later. 775 Bree Guy, enjoy your afternoon, Bronson. Have a good one. Crypto DMO, Sam Demand, Challenge channel, Humanity, SD. Later, everyone. Later, SD. Gen G, later bros. We got Crypto DMO, Old Rounder, see you later. Sam Demand, have a great afternoon. Pudgy, see you later. We got Just Jeff, Back to the Future, Whit Reed, Roulette Wheel, Bree Guy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, Giovanni. Till the next time, J-Bones. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.